Game's history, which started on October 6th, 1979. And next weather meteorologist Casey Sherman's here now. Casey, you got that game day forecast. It's going to be a good game.
It is. It's going to be a hot one. You know, if you are going to be out there maybe doing some tailgating a little bit earlier on before kickoff at 6 p.m., firing up the grills for National Tailgating Day, it's going to be warm. Those heat index values will be climbing into what could be as hot as 109 degrees. We'll have a low chance of rain, so the good news is better chances are the game will be nice and dry, but certainly warm. Even once the sun sets, those temperatures will remain in the middle 80s. Not much rain today, and really not anticipating much through the weekend. Hey, we're just a little over a month out from the end of rainy season. That ends officially on October 15th, and so far we've had a surplus all across the board from Fort Lauderdale down through Miami and Homestead as far as our typical rainy season rain amounts go. We're heading into a drier weather pattern, though, heading into today and tomorrow. Of course, we saw that kind of yesterday and the day before that. Today and tomorrow, very similar. We've got just a couple showers that have been trying to work their way in from the south. We haven't had too much across the area. One little one that's now making its way up across Miami Beach at the moment. That's lifting northward, and we'll continue to watch a few of these kind of speckled area for the remainder this morning. Our wind pattern remains the same. These winds into the southeast pulling in the humidity, but also helping push these showers and storms inland by the afternoon. So that's exactly what we'll see a little bit later on today. The activity pushing westward over time. Things won't start to change until the later portion of this upcoming work week, specifically Wednesday through about Friday. We're going to see a weak front approach from the north. This won't pass through our area, but it is going to enhance those rain and thunderstorm chances as we get closer to next weekend. Those rain chances will start to creep back up to a 50% chance, so we can expect to return some scattered rain and thunderstorms at that point in time. As for right now, as we take a look out across the Miami skyline, a couple clouds, but we are dry. The sun is shining, and we are already warming up. Already feeling like we are in the triple digits in many spots across the area. Hot and humid with just a couple spotty showers as we head into the remainder of this morning and into this afternoon, early this afternoon. But as we get into the hottest time of the day, 2, 3 o'clock, that's when those rain chances will start to kind of dwindle. Most of the activity pushing westward out across the west coast at that point in time, and that's going to leave us hot. High temperatures, upper 80s, lower 90s for those air temperatures, with the humidity, though, feeling much hotter. Heat advisory is back in effect for Broward, Miami-Dade County, and down to the Keys, with those feels like temperatures as hot as 109 to 110 degrees. Out across the tropics, we're tracking a couple areas, one out across the central Atlantic. Nothing here yet. 30% chance, though, that as we see what will likely be some kind of broad area low pressure develop within this, it's got a low chance of becoming a tropical depression or tropical storm. One that we're keeping the closest eye on, that's closest to home, is this cluster of storms that's now beginning to merge out across the southern Gulf of Mexico. National Hurricane Center giving that a 60% chance of development. It's likely going to be working its way northward. We'll have to watch this as we head into the upcoming work week, specifically for Texas, Louisiana, even Mississippi. They could be watching for some very heavy rain. Thankfully, this should not be a threat to South Florida, so we're looking like we're in good shape. But if this does become a named storm, that next name on the list is Francine. And again, it'll be a western Gulf of Mexico issue along with potentially a North Gulf Coast issue as that lifts northward. Next weather 7-day forecast, we'll keep with the lower rain chances into your Sunday. 92 degrees. Tomorrow even hotter. Monday and Tuesday will continue with these lower rain chances before they start to bump back up by the middle portion of the work week.
I'm going to need those temperatures to go down, Casey. Can I order that or something? All right, thank you. In this week's